maybe I'm a prude. Or maybe I'm the person actually drinking alcohol on camera. So maybe I'm not.
That was a heavy pour.
Yes! There's nothing in here. It's like a shake weight if you really want to do it.
That should be good.
Oh,
Juicy questions. What's it gonna be?
we're icing these glasses because they gotta
By
be
the way, if
cold.
you have to have a martini made by anyone,
I'm your man.
What Italian word or phrase did you learn during filming that you love? This is one that we would hear the crew say a lot. They would go, basta, basta.
I learned precisely one word, and that word is andiamo, which means hurry up, which tells you a lot about my personality. Absolutely inseparable.
do you guys bleep this? Che cazzo dice? Che cazzo vai? Vaffanculo. Go fuck yourself. What the fuck are you saying? What the fuck are you doing? Not in that order.
What's a simple favor you should never do for someone? Give them money. Don't give them money. They'll never pay you back.
Drive them to the airport or help them move.
Steal their husband.
Or a threesome. You should never do a threesome as a favor.
Wipe their butt.
Dad, wipe my ass. Wipe my butt. She doesn't say ass. Definitely doesn't say ass. Wipe my butt. So maybe only your children wipe their butt. Anybody else asks you, don't do that favor.
What is your social security number? No, I'm joking.
What wedding cliche do you actually love? What cliche makes you cringe? I actually love the electric slide. And I love how there's like always one person who gets too into it and like has to hit the ground on the way down. I mean, I'm supposed to like roll my eyes at that and I love it. The one that makes me cringe is probably like the garter belt and the groom going for it with his teeth. It's like your grandma's here.
I hope this is a good one. What is the most American cultural mistake you made while filming in Italy? Don't try to order spaghetti and meatballs. They don't do that there. You can get spaghetti and you can get meatballs, but you don't get them together.
What kind of trends or references were inspiration for Emily's costumes in the film? Were there any iconic Italian movies or celebs on the mood board? So Emily's a really interesting character because she's always in hiding, yet she's so over the top. So for this movie, we wanted to capture the essence of the original while also upping the ante. What I had to do in this movie was pretty dynamic. So there were a lot of different character nuances that we had to try to get in there with the wardrobe. Once you see the movie, I can explain more.
Who from the cast spoke the least Italian by the end of filming?
From the cast, I would say Henry Golding. I would dare say.
I don't think he ever spoke Italian.
You know, well, we tried, but
I was going to say Michele by the end. Was speaking
he
the
lost
least
the
amount.
ability to speak
Yeah,
Italian.
he couldn't speak Italian.
This is your second destination wedding film after Crazy Rich Asians. What's better, a wedding destination in Singapore or Capri? I gotta say, Capri had it. I mean, in Singapore, you're just sweating. You can't actually wear a suit out in public because it's like 32 degrees, 100% humidity. Capri has like the scent of neroli in the air, the fresh sea breeze. Definitely Capri.
What's your go-to wedding party trick? Getting blackout.
Can't say on camera.
You get arrested for that?
I can do the worm. I'm from the 80s. You know, I don't look it. But I was quite the old breakdancer back in my day on the old corners of Chicago, Illinois.
Mine is to if there's a karaoke band or somebody will play music, it's singing Viva Las Vegas.
Do you really sing Viva Las
I do
Vegas?
sing Viva Las Vegas.
Well, Viva
Bright Light
Las
City.
Vegas.
There we go. Cheers.
Another simple favor is streaming
On Prime Video, May 1st. We are so excited for you to see it. It's a crazy movie.
Cheers, Marie Claire. We love you.
Gross, hated that. Why did I do that?